Yeah, okay, guys, let's quickly check it. Bitcoin on daily because someone just asked me to do the analysis on Bitcoin. So this is what I've been looking for on Bitcoin. So looking at this chart here, guys, we just see that okay, it looks like it's been on an uptrend for some time now, but yeah, we might see some changes. So those changes that we might be looking at, let me just quickly grab my tools. Okay, as you can see, guys, looking at the nearest demand zone, which is going to be this level here. We just have to highlight that nearest demand zone there. Okay, once we are done with that demand zone, and then let's see what's the market doing right now. As you can see, guys, market has been it failed to break this for quite some time now. Like if I can check it like close to 7 times, failing to break that level, going down. So what is the market doing right now? As you can see, the spike here because the market tried to push price down and then it failed and then it came back to close with a what with a bullish flag, which can tell us that it might be going back up. So let's just check, guys, if we get like the clearest signal on this one, guys. If I can just highlight like okay, this is the lows that the market has taken out, right? We just have to highlight that low there. The market has taken out that low. So like yeah, I saw a lot of people on social media that they saw like two scenarios, like they anticipated that market will break and stop here on this level here, which they might have been correct. But at this moment, guys, because of this bullish flag here, bullish pin bar here, sorry, if we zoom in, you can see that it's rejecting lower prices. So if it's rejecting lower prices, remember what is it doing? It's trapping the sellers in order to push the price up. So again, guys, it's trapping the sellers in order to push the price up, right? Okay, so we went in there with a buy towards that level there, and we're gonna get out somewhere before it can reach that level there. We're gonna hit our take profit there before we can just look for a nice sell going down to that level all the way to that demand zone there. Okay, so this level here, guys, will serve as your order block. This one here will serve as your order block. And another thing that we can just add, guys, there will be the trend line, which will correspond nicely with that one there. So what we're going to be doing now, because we bought here, right? Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. Another thing that we can add is Fibonacci. If we put it from this nearest low to the nearest high to that low there, you can see that the order block there correspond nicely with the 61.8 of your Fibo, which can give us like a nice entry with a sell. So what I can tell you to do, guys, now, because we already on a buy, they're going up, right? With our stop losses, I think it's gonna be is below this pin bar here, right? And then our take profit will be there. And then once price hit the take profit there, we'll just have to sell it again, sell it going down to that level from there. Once it hit that order block there, we'll just sell it. Okay, let me just quickly show you guys. Okay, I will just sell it there with our stop loss below the above that low, that high there, sorry. And then our take profit will be that one going all the way down there. Okay, so this is what basically what I'm seeing on Bitcoin right now. So the points that I'm having there, guys, is that okay, we still have the order block there, we still have 61.8 where the price should retrace to 61.8. Another one we can say we got like bullish pin bar that it shows that it's rejected lower prices. So now it's going to go back up to retest the 61.8 of our Fibo and also retest as well as retesting the trend line. Okay, so if I can just show you quickly on, okay, as you can see, guys, okay, the entries that we get here, we get via the pin bar and the pullback and retracement. As you can see, the first entry, the buy entry that we had here, we had via using the pin bar. Okay, and then the second one is the one that you use. As you can see here, we had a buy entry and another buy entry there. Okay, so the buy entry that we have here, we had because of this breakout here, price changed the structure, and then they formed the bullish flag, went back to test that level, and then we just buy it going all the way up to that level there, despite that pin bar. So as you can see, guys, uh, if you go to daily on the MetaTrader, you can see that okay, once it closed with the pin bar, we bought. Once it closed with the pin bar, and then another level is once we do what? Once it hit, it retraces a little on the pin bar, and then it comes back, and then we bought it there going up, and then one last thing we can add is the gap that we have here. So that gap here should be closed eventually. So it's going to be close to our TP. Once it closes the gap, and then we take our money and run. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you understand. If you have any question, just WhatsApp me, call me, or send me an inbox. So from me, Bruce Lewis, and SSFF Management, we'll see you again, guys, on the next one.